forklift again last night. Tore up the cage and killed the light. Dropped a hopper rolling way too fast, but Chris just smiled and let it pass. He left the boxer jammed and fried. Stacker froze with tile inside. Cables yanked, the robot's dead, but not a word, he's Chris's pet. They say do your job or you'll get checked, but not if you're Chris's pet. You can wreck a shift, leave a line for dead, and still be clocking in with no regret. He breaks machines, they just forget that's the life of Chris's pet. Trim saw's crooked, tile ain't square. He's out there acting like he don't care. Blames the BMR, the squaring wheels, while we're patching up his damn ordeal. He'll jam the boxer, screw the stack, then claim he's under attack. Says the robot's moving wrong again, while Chris just grins and says he's trying, man. You get one chance, maybe two at best, unless you're Chris's pet. Then you're free to run wild through the lines, breaking loaders and throwing signs. Upper man's blind and maintenance bets he's got dirt, he's Chris's pet. He left the squarer off by miles, sent crooked tile down 4 full aisles. Sorters buzzing, red lights flashing, but Chris won't budge while we're out here thrashing. So here's to the chosen one we all regret, the forklift king, old Chris's pet. He breaks it all and stays protected while we're worn down and disrespected. Say what you want, we all know the bet. You can't touch Chris's pet.